You've seen parrots, loud, flashy, always talking, repeating whatever they hear. But have you noticed something? They stay in cages, they make noise, but go nowhere. That's what happens when you talk more than you act. You trap yourself. Now look at the eagle. Silent, sharp, watching, waiting. It doesn't announce its flight. It doesn't scream to be seen. It just rises. That's the difference. The parrot talks. The eagle flies. The parrot entertains. The eagle executes. The parrot imitates. The eagle leads. In life, don't waste your energy proving your worth to people. Let your success speak. Stay silent. Stay disciplined. Stay hungry. You don't need to echo the world. You were born to rise above it. Be the eagle. Focused, fearless, free. Because while parrots get applause, eagles are in the sky. Like, share, and subscribe to Next Flux for daily motivation.